Imagine Earth long before humans. Dinosaurs haven't even appeared yet. This is the time of Rodinia. Rodinia was a supercontinent, a giant landmass made up of all Earth's continents joined together. It existed billions of years ago. Rodinia was a strange and unfamiliar world. The air was different, and the creatures that lived there were unlike anything alive today. Studying Rodinia helps us understand our planet's history. It teaches us how continents move and how life on Earth changes. The story of Rodinia is a detective story, with scientists piecing together clues from rocks and fossils.
Rodinia didn't exist forever. It formed slowly over millions of years. Scientists believe this happened about 1.1 billion years ago. At that time, Earth's continents, which are always moving, drifted together. This drifting is driven by heat deep within the Earth. Imagine a giant pot of soup simmering on a stove. The continents are like croutons floating on top, slowly moving around. This process, called plate tectonics, brought the continents together to form Rodinia. It was like a giant jigsaw puzzle coming together. This supercontinent was located mostly in the southern hemisphere, surrounded by a huge ocean.
The Earth's outer layer, its crust, is not one solid piece. It's broken into large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates move very slowly, about as fast as your fingernails grow. The movement is driven by heat escaping from the Earth's core. This heat creates currents in the mantle, the layer beneath the crust, which drag the plates along. Where plates collide, mountains rise, volcanoes erupt, and earthquakes shake the ground. This is how Rodinia was formed, by the slow collision of Earth's continents. But what brings continents together can also tear them apart.
Echoes of a lost world, uncovering Rodinia's secrets. How do we know about Rodinia if it existed so long ago? Well, scientists are like detectives, piecing together evidence from the past. They study ancient rocks found on different continents. Some of these rocks have similar compositions and ages, suggesting they were once joined together. Fossils also provide clues. Scientists have found similar fossils of ancient creatures on continents now separated by vast oceans. This suggests these continents were once connected. By studying these clues, scientists can reconstruct the size, shape, and location of Rodinia.
A world divided, the breakup of Rodinia. Rodinia wasn't meant to last. Just like it formed, it also broke apart. This began about 750 million years ago. The same forces that created Rodinia, the Earth's internal heat and moving plates, started to pull it apart. Imagine stretching a piece of dough. Eventually, it will thin and break. This is what happened to the supercontinent. Large cracks called rifts appeared in Rodinia's landmass. These rifts widened into new ocean basins, and the continents began to move apart, like ships sailing in different directions.
The ripple effect, global impacts of a changing Earth. The breakup of Rodinia wasn't just about continents moving, it had huge impacts on the planet. New oceans formed, changing ocean currents and sea levels. This affected the climate, making it colder in some places and warmer in others. Volcanoes erupted, spewing gases and ash into the atmosphere. These changes had a profound impact on life. Some organisms thrived in the new environments, while others struggled to survive. The breakup of Rodinia was a turning point in Earth's history, leading to the evolution of new life forms and shaping the planet we know today.